Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to get coupons on the Alibaba app. So let's get started. Open the Alibaba app on your smart device and make sure you are logged in to your account. By opening the Alibaba application on the homepage in the lower right corner of the screen, you can see your profile that says My Alibaba and then click on it. Then on the next page, in the drop-down menu, you will go down to the option, My Coupons, and click on it. By clicking on the Coupons option, a new page will open where you can see several fields. The field that reads Active means the coupons that have been offered and that have been activated then. Used field that allows you to see all the coupons you have used. And the Expired field, which represents the coupons that were on offer and that expired after some time, as you can see. But since we currently do not have any coupons on offer, and soon the application itself will give you new coupons, all you have to do is click on it and activate it when the coupon appears in the active field. And there it is. By following these simple steps, you can easily get and apply coupons on the Alibaba app to save money on your next purchase. If this guide helped you, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more money-saving tips and app tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.